Hi guys, welcome back to Third and Long Coaching. And today I'm going to do something a little bit different. So, as an introvert and as a coach, I am a firm believer in having what I like to call a signature scent. So, one of the things you're going to figure out about me is I am very much into fragrances, colognes, perfumes. So, I'm a huge advocate of introverts having a signature scent. So, a signature scent to me is a scent that you can just put on. And as introverts, we don't really like to talk that much anyway. So, this allows you to just walk into the office. You don't have to say anything, but your signature scent lets everyone know that you're there. And if your signature scent is good enough, you're going to get a lot of compliments and attention. So that's why I'm a huge believer in having a signature scent. So on my channel, there are going to be times where I'm going to be doing reviews of fragrances or colognes. And so what I've got today is an unboxing. So I ordered this in the mail. This is from the Baxter Company of California, and the scent is called Pacific Cannabis. So as you can see here, I haven't even opened up the box at all. It's still got the cellophane wrapping on it. And so I thought that I would go ahead and open this up today. So I'm going to go ahead and describe the notes of this fragrance. I believe it retailed for about $98, and this is the Eau de Parfum, Eau de Parfum concentration. So if I scroll down here, the top notes for this are pink pepper, rosemary essence, bergamot essence. The middle notes are cannabis accord, lavender essence, sage essence. The base notes of this are going to be driftwood accord, patchouli essence, and tonka absolute. Okay, so those are the notes. I've never smelled this before. This was a complete blind buy. Now, I'm going to tell you, most of the time you're not going to want to buy or blind buy niche fragrances, right? Because I mean, some of these niche fragrances can cost $200-300. So I do not recommend doing a blind buy. I think this one again retailed for $98. So, and actually I had like I think a $60 Nordstrom credit. So at the end, it only ended up costing me about $38. So let's go ahead and open it up. See what we got. Kind of nervous because normally when I blind buy stuff, I usually end up hating it. So, all right, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay. All right, so here's the bottle, Pacific Cannabis. All right, let's go ahead and see what kind of spray we got. It's not spraying. Okay, all right, pretty decent. All right, let's go ahead and see how this smells. I'll go ahead and spray it on my inner elbow here. All right, let's let some of this dry down. Wow, you know what? This doesn't smell. It almost kind of reminds me of cool water mixed with Killian Smoke for the Soul. So Killian Smoke for the Soul also has like a cannabis note in it too. Yeah. You know, I think this is one of these fragrances that I'm just going to say is just okay. Okay, so initial impressions, it smells okay. Again, it kind of reminds me of cool water mixed with like a smoky fragrance. I mean, my initial thoughts, you could definitely wear this daytime or nighttime. It could be a signature scent. It probably wouldn't be a signature scent for me if I'm just being completely honest. Right now, if I had to give this a rating from 1 to 10, I think I would probably mm, maybe gonna go with a 7.5. But I've learned though that sometimes when there have been fragrances like, for example, Black Phantom by Killian. Like the first time I smelled it, I didn't really like it. I didn't really get what all the fuss was. Now it's one of my favorite go-to fragrances. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna try to wear this a few more times. I also kind of like to get my wife's reaction to this too, because I can always tell when she really likes something and when she's just like, hmm, oh, that's okay. And so when I know that her eyes light up when she initially smells something, that I know, okay, you know what, this fragrance is a 9 or 10. But this one, I can't say that it really smells like anything special. I don't know if this is going to be signature scent worthy. But again, so I'm going to try to wear this for maybe a few more weeks and then try to give you guys an official review. Okay. But I just wanted to give you guys my first initial impressions on Pacific Cannabis Eau de Parfum by Baxter of California. All right. Thanks for watching.